Hey, what's up, people? It's Seth. I'm back at you again. I got some Palace Trifergs, the Ducked Up, and the Juergen Teller craziness one. Also have a Psychworld Heartagram hoodie.
Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit. Wake up.
First things first, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Hit that like button. I got different outfits I'm curating all the time. But yes, it's been a crazy week. Me and Abby are still launching our Keep Your Sanity game. If that is available, we'll have it down in the description maybe or something like that. Hopefully I'll update this video. But as of the making of this video, still just have this first run prototype. I'll make a video to review this thing. I'm pretty excited for that game. I also print t-shirts, so definitely hit me up if you want me to make you one of these t-shirts with the beautiful continents. I have different versions of it and whatnot. I've been painting in my garage. I mean, I've been painting since before I had working memory, so I'm just a lifelong artist. I mean, I was writing my own music at age 6. I mean, I'm just in love with fashion and creating and art, and so that's why I wanted to curate this channel, get to know some people out there. I'm just up here in Montana, hopefully moving to Hawaii soon. Pretty awesome with the post office. But yeah, enough about me. Let's go ahead and get into this first Palace tee. This is the Juergen Teller one. I went ahead and got the version with the dog on the front, which was kind of a sad picture, but Juergen Teller is all about, you know, showing us reality. In this Palace bag, we do have a return form, our receipt. One of the stickers fell out. Looks like we have our transparent white sticker with that Triferg on there. This is the Triferg, this printout on the plastic bag. We have our little label down there in the bottom corner. And so, yeah, this tee is really crazy. It has this dog who was trashed in the garbage. Very, very sad. Life just is rough. Like, that's just the reality of life. And maybe there should be beauty in the hardships of life or in the unbeautiful things. I mean, teach you a little bit about perspective there, right? Anyways, I'm not gonna take this one out here because I'm not gonna wear this shirt quite yet. This is a size large from Palace right here. If you wanna know sizing, I'm 6'1", 150 pounds, wearing some size medium Eric Emanuel shorts, just some 10.5 dunks. This is a size large and they don't run super wide. They run a little bit longer, basically like Supreme. I would say Palace and Supreme is very similar. Sleeve length is nice on this size large. It's very, very standard for a size large tee. Yeah, length is good. You're gonna have extra length probably. But anyways, I'm just gonna show you the tag on the back of this neck. This is much different from their normal tags. It has like all this extra on there. Oh, it's got reversed in there. Look at that. Totally just reversed on the other side. Good deal. Little size L down there. Definitely a cool tee for sure. The Triferg on the back, and it's all white, so it can definitely work with some fits, but I like to keep that white super fresh. So that means I don't even take it out of the Ziploc anymore, because it just might get some black pillies on it, or I'll set it on the ground and that'll be a dusty spot. I'm just weird. I'm weird like that, but anyways, I'm gonna get into this Ducked Up. Yes, a duck is on this one. It's a Vans collab with Palace. We got another white transparent Triferg sticker. Our receipt, $12 shipping, $58 shirt. On the front, we have our little sticker tag. This big tag in there. Look at that. Oh look, it has this other tag on here as well. I did not notice this Palace Vans cardboard. That's kind of cool. My eyes just really started watering. Oh man, it is so smoky. I don't know if it's smoky where you're at, or maybe it's cleared up by now by the time you're watching this, but people, it is like fire danger at an all-time high. Just loads of smoke here in Montana where I'm at, and fires all around us, so it makes my eyes water just randomly because that smoke gets in there. Finally got this tape to cooperate. I didn't just want to bust this plastic because I use plastic to ship things. I want to recycle as much as I can all the time. Here's our tags a little bit closer now that we have the plastic off. Just a little bit of information on there, whatnot. You also have this tag down at the bottom left, giant tag. This other thing on here too. And you have this little tab on the bottom right. Just at the very bottom of the t-shirt on the side there. There we go. Vans off the wall. Thought this had a Triferg on the back, but obviously I'm wrong. They do have them along the sleeve. There we go. Vans and Palace all along that sleeve. And on the other sleeve, you've got the same thing. This is actually a nice and loose cut. Not too bad, but it is a large. So, you know, you gotta have that extra room for people of all different sizes who need a size large. Lanky guys like me, weird wide shoulders. This is actually really weird how they did this little tie in the underarm. They totally, like, I don't know, used one of those plastic little things and then just tied it on. Did a really weird setup on there. I was expecting that to be a little safety pin. It's kind of weird. Whatever. Alright, well, since this is a long sleeve from Palace, I will go ahead and I'll throw it on and we can check out how this ducked up tee fits. Alright, yeah, dude, this fit is so dope. Even with these dunks and, you know, a nice hot summer day, I'm wearing white, making sure my sleeves don't get all burnt up. So you don't want those tats getting all beat red and the ink destroyed from sun damage. Now, sometimes you gotta wear long sleeves as you skate. So yeah, this is a really great fit. This size large fits really nice. The width is actually a little wider than some of their t-shirts, maybe a tiny bit. Length, this is crazy long. Sleeve length is really nice and long, so you'll have that length if you need it with a size large. I don't know about a medium. Medium might have been a little bit too short on me. You guys can all know what they're gonna fit like. This Vans collab is so dope. Oh my goodness. Really excited about it. I don't know. I just couldn't take this off here. It's kind of like I'm trying to be Virgil and wear my tags forever, right? Let's see how long it lasts. Okay, so I don't know if you guys are into the Finnish band His Infernal Majesty. Yeah, I think that's what the band is. I mean, I was into metal. I listened to a lot of Striper as a kid because my dad was into that band. But yeah, this Finnish band also is pretty dope. The one singer in there is kind of loved for creating the Heartagram. Oh look, I got some stickers in here. It's like a head, brain, computer thing. Yeah, it's weird. It's a weird sticker. I also have that t-shirt from Psychworld with that head, brain thing. I also have a receipt with our little stamp, and yeah, so this is kind of a weird hoodie. I have a Travis hoodie coming in the mail, and I'm gonna be wanting to wear that one. That one's not here yet though. I'm still waiting on my Travis zip-up hoodie, but I thought I'd get this one just for now because I really liked the message that was on this. It's not supposed to be evil or anything with this Heartagram. The front left, you can see the embroidery work there. They did some nice embroidery there. But yeah, the Heartagram is more like combining good and evil. Like a heart is like the ultimate sign of love, and then the pentagram is like the ultimate sign of hate, or I don't know. But this isn't supposed to be about demonic stuff. It's not supposed to be about. It's about making good something that maybe people were intending for evil. So on the back, we have our giant Heartagram. Look at that. That's a heart right there, people. And yeah, so this Psychworld hoodie is really sticking together still. This ink kind of bleeds through all the way to the other side of the fleece. This is kind of how fleece is. Like, you can even see the glue a little bit in there. I don't know, maybe in person you can see it better, but yeah, this is always weird when they do these really thick prints on fleece. I remember some brands do this, but yeah, the ink is all sticking on the inside of the sweater. Yeah, on this sleeve, you got some nice tribal looking funky fire stuff, and then the Heartagram on the sleeve. And let's see, what do we got for tags? Anything? We do have our green Psychworld made in USA. Here we go. That's why I love Psychworld. Look at that. We're not shipping stuff over, anything like that. We're creating it all in-house. Keep it in the US. Gotta support my US brands and everything. I don't even know who owns Psychworld or who's doing it, but a lot of people think it's Little Yachty. I have a Little Yachty t-shirt that's Psychworld and Little Yachty and Black Lives Matter. I don't understand. Like, why would you do a collab with yourself? So I don't know if Little Yachty is really the person who owns it. Oh man, see, this is what I'm talking about. I'm putting on a black sweater on top of this white tee, so now this thing is not as fresh. It's not fresh. I'm gonna take some of these tags off, but I really want to put on this hoodie for you guys just because it kind of fits a little bit like maybe like a Bape hoodie because of the way that it zips up, or like that Travis hoodie. The Travis Scott did his Fragment release yesterday, well, at least on his website. He did the raffle thing, which I didn't get to participate in, but then he released a whole bunch of merch. That one hoodie, oh my goodness, so dope. It zips all the way up the face, Has the full skull on it and the full bones across everything. I mean, I already have this hoodie. I already knew this one was coming, and I like the messaging on it, just that love. We're mixing it all together, and that's okay. We're humans, and we create new things and recreate things that we've made in the past that people have started to get all mystified about. But anyways, this is a dope hoodie. This is what I wanted to show you. I forgot. It does this thing too, where you can just zip your face in. So now if it's windy out and the wind is really bothering you or blowing your hair around. What's up, guys? How you doing? Good to see you. Hey, how you doing over there? Hey, what's up, buddy, dude? Okay, so here's the back. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's pretty dope. I do like this hoodie, and it actually fits really snug. It's not a large size at all. So if you're used to Supreme size large, this is smaller. This is definitely smaller. The sleeve length is nice and long. It feels like maybe it would stretch. I'm sure it would. Oh yeah, the other thing about this zipper is that you can go all, everybody does that, right? Just let it slide. Who does that right now all the time? Jerry Lorenzo. He's the fear of God dude. He loves to do this with his jackets. This is his #1 thing right now. Except for he's all earth tones. I'm super black and white and whatever. But we're mixing it, right? Love, evil, and good. Okay, well, anyways, people, there are a bunch of dunks releasing all the time, so definitely stay on top of the sneakers app. Stay on top of the Adidas Confirmed app if you like Adidas. If you want to keep up with different sneaker releases, you want to be totally up to date. I mean, this video is going to be out of date really soon. In a couple of days, this sneaker news will be futile. It'll be useless. But go to sneakernews.com and you can go to sneaker releases. That's how I'm checking out a bunch of my releases. I know the ads on that website are just horrific, just terrible. But everybody's website, once they start getting traffic, they just load it with ads because that's how they're going to make money. So I mean, I guess I understand it. Any new sneaker company that comes out and starts giving us really great information, I mean, if it's free, after a while they definitely make you pay for it with all those ads. But yeah, Sneaker News is kind of doing that right now. Not as bad as Sneaker Shoutouts has turned into. But yeah, there's definitely a lot of different sources out there to find out about different releases. I'm definitely excited for the Jordan 1 fragments from Travis Scott. Obviously those are reselling for like $2,000, so getting your hands on a pair gonna be near impossible. You're just gonna get completely lucky. You basically have the same chance, you know, winning the lottery and things like that. Means basically is a lottery. So all right, I'm gonna go enjoy some time outside. I've been working, doing some fun stuff around the city. Here's a little footage of me just hanging around in the city, just walking around, walking these streets, doing what I do. And if I haven't told you guys recently, you are meaningful, you have reason, you have purpose. I love you if nobody else does. Try not to take yourself too seriously. Let's go out there, let's be world changers. Peace. So much mail. What are you guys up to? Hide and seek. Hunting service berries today. Some good ones here. Not bad. Just way ahead. Gotta catch up.
But like the whole Pacific Northwest is super dry, and then Wyoming's just really wet in that area.
Gotta get your finger fixed, baby. Want it done.
So after my surgery, it'll get fixed.
Okay.
Probably not very healthy. True. I need a good background.
Oh yeah, that's the best.
What?
Oh, nothing.
Might have a party in the hood. Hey, work, but it's that one trying to get